Hi, my name is Swamideep. I lead the portfolio marketing team at India at NTT Data. Account-based marketing, or ABM as you would say, on that is a very critical component of any modern B2B marketing strategy. There are multiple benefits why all the organizations are considering ABM. One, it drives alignment with the sales, product, and the marketing team. Second most important is ensures that the marketing dollars are spent on organizations that we want to do business with on that. So there is multiple forms of ABM on which can be deployed. One, first we talk about 1:1 ABM, which is how the ABMs are typically known for, but it's beyond that. 1:1 ABM, we focus on broadly three kinds of use cases. One, it could be used for deal or pursuit-based marketing, where you're possibly potentially going after a large pursuit or an opportunity where you focus on marketing efforts to convert that into a win. Second, it could be an accounts which you want to large accounts or large clients of yours which you want to defend and expand. That's where 1:1 marketing can be deployed. And third, 1:1 marketing can be used to target clients or strategic prospects where there is a massive growth opportunity on that. The second form of ABM that can be done is 1:few. In 1:few, this can be deployed specifically for solutions which you have crafted specifically for certain industries. For example, if it's an banking industry and if you have a solution called as Know Your Customer, so that is specifically meant for banking industry, this 1:few approach can help to segment it based on industry to solve a particular problem. You position your assets to drive a more personalized marketing can be done on that. The third and the last form of ABM is 1:many, where you can deploy ABM for a larger, slightly broader target audience. The idea is to generate a steady flow of pipeline in this. If you are an organization who have not adopted ABM, it's time you adopt ABM. And if you are an organization who already adopted ABM, it's time you outdo in optimizing and to drive more ROI out of your ABM investments. Thank you.